Hi everyone, this is Len Maths with me. You're welcome to today's video on ordering numbers. Let's take a look at this following questions. We want to arrange the following in order from the smallest to the largest. So we have four sets of numbers. We have 128, 281, 218, and 182. So we've been asked to order them from the smallest to the largest. Now they are all three digits numbers. We want to see which one is the smallest, and then we want to arrange them according to their size. So we have, because they are all three digits numbers, we have the hundred, tens, and units. So we look at the hundreds to see the one that is the smallest. Now we have two numbers that have it's 100 each. So we have the number 128 and we have the number 182. So those two numbers are the smallest numbers. So let's see which one is smaller out of the two, 128 or 182. Now we move on to the tens. For the 128, we have tens, we have two tens for the tens, while for the 182 we have 8 tens. So the 128 is smaller than the 182. So I'll go ahead and write my 128 in the first column, and then I'll put my 182 in the second column. Now I'm left with two other numbers, 281 and 218. They both have 200s. So I go to the tens to find out which one is smaller than the other. The first one has 8 tens, while the second one has 110. So the one that has 110 is smaller than the one that has 8 tens. So I'll go ahead and write my 218 in the third box and then my 281 in the last box. So now let's take a look at another question. Arrange the following in order from the largest to the smallest. We have five sets of numbers. They are all four digits numbers. 2053, 5023, 3205, 2350, and 3025. So to get the largest, we look at the first digits. We have the thousands, the hundred, the tens, and the units. So we look at the one that has the largest number under the thousands. If we take a look at all these five numbers, we can see that there is one that stands out, and that is the one that has 5023. So that happens to be the largest. Then the second one, I have 3205 and 3025. So I want to see which one is bigger out of the two numbers. I'll go to the hundreds to see. The 3205 has two hundreds, while the 3025 has zero hundreds. So my 3205 is bigger than my 3025. So I go ahead and put my 3205 in my second box here, while I put my 3025 in the third column. So I'm left with two numbers, that is 2053 and 2350. They both have two 2000s, and then my under the hundreds I have one that has zero and I have one that has three. So the one that has three under the hundreds is bigger than the one that has zero under the hundreds. So in my fourth column, I'll go ahead and write 2350 because it's bigger than 2053. So that is how to order the numbers from the largest to the smallest. If you've got any questions, please feel free to drop a comment for me. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.